My name is Nusrret and I live in Chennai. I live with my family in Haddows Road. We come from a business home, and my father was with industry and banks and banking and all sectors, government and industry. So we've lived here for over 125 years. So it's been a very important part of our life, Chennai. And we grew up here and we've been educated here.
How did you get to know about Star Health Insurance?
I have been introduced to Maruti, my insurance person, by a friend. When I met Maruti, I had no idea about health insurance. We never thought we needed one. But myself, looking at the way society had changed and the number of illnesses that were coming up and the kind of figures that we had to match, Maruti explained to me that an insurance package would definitely not just help, but which will secure and protect our future health and various other related subjects. So he explained to me why we need it. So I decided to take a policy. I have a Star Health comprehensive policy. I'm insured for 50 lakhs and my daughter is covered in this policy. For the first 5 or 10 years, I didn't use the policy, luckily. But then when I did have an incident or two, like my daughter was sick once in hospital for 2 days, Maruti, then I realized what it is to have a cashless insurance. And that is where the absolute benefit of insurance came up. And then I kept seeing that in life that we do have many incidents that we have to face. So I took my driver's insurance and I took another person's insurance. And fair enough, it benefited us to a large extent.
So, how was your claim experience?
So my daughter had dengue about 7 years ago, and I was not in the country, and she had to be hospitalized, and it was for 2-3 days. And it was Maruti who actually was with her in the hospital most of the time, taking care, even on a personal level. But more than anything else, when she was getting discharged, I was not here. So Maruti did a very wonderful, seamless discharge. It was totally cashless. It was, I think, to the tune of 1.5 lakhs in that sense. So, when a girl is feeling weak and she cannot do it, he sent her home, he sorted it all out, and she didn't have to worry. So it was a very, very wonderful part of the insurance, which I really must speak of. In my case, I had a surgery and a procedure about 5-6 months ago, and followed by 5 days of treatment. And again, I was hospitalized, and it was a wonderful hospital, very good doctors. But more than that, it was Maruti again who made it very wonderful, because when I was getting discharged after that, he didn't even let me worry about anything. He was there, he saw the whole procedure, went through it all. That was about 5.5 lakhs, that procedure. And I think that was done wonderfully. So that is where the insurance company became very, very important to us, because in both occasions, at least in my occasion, the amount was big. And, it's not very easy that every time anybody can come up with 5.5 lakhs overnight. But then I realized the need to have a bigger parent like an insurance company, and that's how it helps.
According to you, what is the importance of health insurance?
So I believe that an insurance is an absolute must for people who really want to benefit and not waste their money unnecessarily. So paying an insurance helps you a lot.
What do you want to say about Star Health Insurance?
So I have to really thank Mr. Maruti, who's independently and along with Star Health Insurance, who regularly updates itself with me, who gives me exactly what is happening within their company, and who helps me understand insurance. I've a couple of insurances, even with my driver and myself, my daughter. And Maruti has been a very instrumental part of this. He is actually been the one who's completely helped, convinced, and set up the need for an insurance. So I give him all credit, and I always introduce him to many of our family and friends. And many of our friends in Bangalore have taken very big policies, my family, with him, because they all have seen him work closely with me. So I wish them both good luck. Star Health Insurance Company, as I see, is very solid. It has got a very strong base. It is very functions at a level which is very understood by a lay woman like me. Normally insurances are complicated, but I have been able to understand Star Health. I do understand many insurance companies do come up, but I don't understand them. But Star Health I do. So I wish Star Health the best.
How has been your recovery process and how do you see life after recovery?
Oh, I'm a very positive, happy person. It has been a wonderful journey. Whether I have a procedure or not, I always look at the rainbow in the sky, and I make sure that my positivity extends to everyone. We live in a home that is over 75 years old, and we have staff that has been with us for more than 35 years. So it's like an extended family. My hobbies are from gardening to reading to playing games. I love playing Sudoku. It's one of my best hobbies. So my life is, by the grace of God, an extremely good life. My younger daughter lives with me, so we have a good life, touch wood.